Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. So I wanted to give you guys a little preview of the deck. So a much higher quality video is coming. I'm still not finished yet. So I pressure washed the entire deck. So I'm clearing things out and we are going to be restaining the deck. We got 3 cans already because that's all that the store had. So I'm pretty sure that's not going to be enough. So this is our deck. It starts the whole way from here. There's steps that go down there. Then up here we want to put a picnic table. It goes down there and back up here. So it's a pretty nice deck. We really don't use it that often, especially lately. Normally we have some get-togethers and stuff, but haven't done that. So at least now we'll have a nice stained deck once we're done. We're going with a similar color that was already on, which was like a kind of, I think the color we're going with is barn red. Let's see if we can show you. So there. So it's a barn red, and I think it's gonna look nice. So yeah, there'll be a much higher quality video coming for you guys. I just wanted to show you guys what I'm working on. Sorry, lately we haven't uploaded really high quality videos on the channel. Honestly, I've been so busy, so busy. I have not had time to edit. So to edit a good quality video, it takes anywhere from 3 to 7 hours to record it, to edit it, to process it, to upload it, and for YouTube to finalize it is anywhere from 3 to 7 hours total time processing, and I haven't had that much time to do that. Even though I have videos for you guys, I just haven't had time. And a bird came to our little feeder. I don't know if we can get him though. Can you guys see him? No. Let's see if we can go. Anyways, so that is what I worked on today. I'm sore, I'm tired, but must continue. So I'm hoping next week I can get some high quality videos for you guys. Do not worry, they are coming.